Coming to Greece for the famous souvlaki but don't know the chemistry behind it? Time for you to learn and for us to eat. We start by grilling our well-seasoned pork. While that cooks, let's cut our vegetables. I think something got in my eye.
Not exactly. Breaking the cells of the onion releases an enzyme called allinase. As you can see, that reacts with sulfoxides in the onion to produce a volatile sulfur-containing chemical. That is what goes in your eyes and reacts with the moisture to form sulfuric acid, which triggers your tears.
Wow. Smells amazing. Why did it change color though?
What is happening is called the Maillard reaction. Upon heating, proteins in the meat react with reducing sugars. Followed by more complex reactions, it leads to aroma, flavor, and coloring compounds. Spices can also contribute. For example, rosemary, containing antioxidants, can slow down lipid oxidation, which reduces harmful byproducts while preserving flavor.
Okay, time for the potato. Oh! Wait! Did they done?
Well, in a way. By cutting the potato, an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase is exposed to air oxygen, and oxidation happens to natural phenolic compounds. The products of it, quinones, react further to form melanin-like brown pigments.
No way! Enough, I'm hungry. Put it all together, a lot of tzatziki, and boom!